What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to make and receive calls on your Watch 9 Ultra, T900 or S9 Ultra Smartwatch. Now the process is quite simple, and first things first, you actually have to connect your Watch 9 Ultra, T900 or S9 Ultra Smartwatch to the recommended app on your phone. So come over to your phone, make sure that the Bluetooth and service location is turned on your phone. Here is my service location, and as you can see, it is turned on. Now you want to go ahead and open up the recommended app on your phone. My smartwatch over here actually uses the Find app, so I'll go ahead and open it up on my phone. If you do not know the app that your own smartwatch uses and you've not connected it with your phone, basically if you want to find out the app that your own smartwatch uses, you should be able to find the QR code scanner app from one of the list of apps over here. You can go ahead and scan this QR code with the camera app on your phone, and once you scan it, you should be able to find out the app that your own smartwatch uses. Once you find out the app, you actually just want to make sure you download and install it into your phone and then set up the app. Now to make and receive calls, you just want to go ahead and connect your smartwatch to your phone using the recommended app. Basically, you want to look for the devices tab or me tab. In my case, it is actually the me tab. Select it and you should be able to search for available devices. And as you can see, mine has been able to find the name of my own smartwatch. I'll just go ahead and select the name of my smartwatch over here, and it is trying to connect. You want to give it some few seconds, and automatically once both devices are connected, another thing you want to do in order for you to be able to make and receive calls is to make sure that both devices are paired via Bluetooth. You can literally see the pairing pop up. You can just go ahead and click on pair so that they will be paired via Bluetooth automatically. Or alternatively, if you do not see the pairing pop up, just go over to the Bluetooth of your phone and then make sure that you also pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. Once you've paired both devices via Bluetooth and via the recommended app of your own smartwatch, you should now be able to make and receive calls. So if you actually go over to the list of apps on my T900 or my Watch 9 Ultra or S9 Ultra smartwatch and look for the call icon from over here, you can literally find the call icon, select it, and then come over to phone, try to make any call from over here, and then click on the call icon. You're going to see that we should now be able to make that call from our smartwatch over here to our phone, and it's going to work pretty well. In that same way, you should also be able to receive calls and choose to accept or deny any call you don't want from your Watch 9 Ultra or your T900 or your S9 Ultra smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.